Strengthening your marriage after 50 requires a fresh understanding of love, companionship, and purpose. As couples grow older, they transition into a new phase of life where priorities change and the focus shifts from raising children and building careers to finding joy in each other's company and creating meaningful memories together. The golden years offer a beautiful opportunity to renew the bond that brought two people together and to build something even more intimate, lasting, and rewarding. One of the first steps to strengthening your marriage after 50 is communication. Over the years, couples may have fallen into routine patterns of discussion that center more around daily logistics than emotional connection. It is vital now to reintroduce heart-to-heart conversation. Talking openly about fears, dreams, disappointments, and hopes can reignite the emotional intimacy that might have diminished over time. Set aside time each day or week to have these conversations without distraction. Listen with the intent to understand, not respond. Be present and let your partner know they are heard, valued, and loved. Rebuilding emotional intimacy leads naturally to rekindling physical intimacy. While age may bring physical changes, desire and affection do not disappear. Instead, they may evolve. It is important to express affection through small gestures, a gentle touch, a loving glance, holding hands, or a warm embrace. Don't shy away from discussing your needs and desires. If physical challenges arise, consult a doctor together and find ways to remain connected, both emotionally and physically, as shared activities can also play a vital role in strengthening a marriage after 50. Take up hobbies or interests that you both enjoy, whether it's gardening, traveling, learning a new language, dancing, or cooking together. Shared activities create joyful memories and offer opportunities to grow together. They also foster teamwork and reinforce the idea that you're still building a life together. Another key element is gratitude. Now, over the years, it's easy to focus on what your partner doesn't do or the habits that irritate you. Now is the time to shift that focus, make it a daily practice to express gratitude. Thank your partner for the little things, compliment them genuinely, acknowledge their efforts, and let them know they matter. Gratitude softens hearts and builds a culture of appreciation in your relationship. Forgiveness is equally important. By the time a couple reaches 50 or beyond, they have likely weathered many storms together. There may be old wounds or unresolved issues that linger in the background. It is never too late to heal. Have those difficult conversations if needed. Seek counseling and make the decision to forgive. Holding on to resentment only poisons the relationship. Let go of the past and make space for peace and renewal. Respect is another cornerstone of a strong marriage. After decades together, it's easy to take one another for granted, but mutual respect is essential. This includes respecting opinions, privacy, space, and individuality. You may be retired or spending more time at home together, but each person still needs room to grow and thrive. Encourage your partner's interests, support their goals, and respect their boundaries. Strengthening your marriage after 50 also means planning for the future together. Retirement, health, aging, and even end-of-life planning are sensitive yet essential topics. Facing these issues as a team strengthens your bond. Make financial plans together, discuss healthcare directives, and dream about what you want the next chapter to look like. Whether it's downsizing, traveling, or volunteering, envision the future hand in hand. Laughter and playfulness should not be forgotten. Aging does not mean becoming serious or dull. In fact, a sense of humor can be a glue that keeps couples close. Find reasons to laugh together. Watch comedies, recall funny memories, be silly, and don't take everything so seriously. A lighthearted approach to life and love can renew the spirit of your marriage. Social connections also impact the health of your marriage. While it's essential to nurture your relationship, it's also important to maintain friendships and social ties. Spend time with other couples or engage in community activities. Being socially active keeps you mentally and emotionally stimulated and brings fresh energy into your relationship. Self-care is not just an individual practice, it benefits the marriage too. Take care of your health, your mindset, and your well-being. When each partner brings their best self to the relationship, the partnership flourishes. Exercise, eat well, pursue passions, and manage stress. Support each other in staying healthy and happy. If challenges arise, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Marriage counseling is not just for the young or those in crisis. A few sessions with a good counselor can help couples understand each other better, communicate more effectively, and resolve long-standing issues. It's a sign of strength, not weakness, to ask for help in building a better relationship. Spiritual connection can also be a strong foundation in a marriage after 50. Whether you share a religion, meditate together, attend services, or simply discuss life's deeper questions, having a shared spiritual practice can deepen your bond. It brings a sense of purpose, comfort, and connection that can sustain a marriage through life's ups and downs. Lastly, never stop celebrating each other. Celebrate anniversaries, birthdays, achievements, and even ordinary days. Find joy in each other's presence and continue to date each other. Surprise your partner with a note, a gift, or a special evening. Keep romance alive by being thoughtful and intentional. It's not about grand gestures, but consistent, loving actions that show you still care deeply. Marriage after 50 can be the most rewarding phase of your relationship. With wisdom, experience, and time on your side, you have everything needed to build a deeper, more meaningful bond. By focusing on communication, intimacy, gratitude, respect, shared dreams, and continuous growth, you can strengthen your marriage and enjoy a partnership that is not just surviving, but thriving. As you continue to grow older together, the way you view love, companionship, and partnership evolves into something more profound than the passion of youth. Strengthening your marriage after 50 also means learning to embrace change both within yourselves and within each other. Life transitions such as retirement, becoming grandparents, relocating, or dealing with illness can test the resilience of any relationship. The key is not to resist these changes, but to navigate them together with patience, adaptability, and mutual support. Change can be unsettling, but it also offers opportunities to deepen your connection. For instance, retirement may shift your daily routines and create more time together. This increase in togetherness can be a blessing or a challenge depending on how it's managed. It's important to discuss how you both envision retirement life. Create a routine that balances shared time with personal space, establish mutual goals, and maintain a sense of purpose that keeps you both motivated and united. Another important aspect of marriage after 50 is rediscovering each other. After years of focusing on careers, raising children, and managing responsibilities, it's possible to lose sight of who your partner truly is at their core. Now is a great time to get curious about each other again. Ask questions you've never asked before, share stories from your youth, discuss your evolving beliefs, and explore new ideas together. This rediscovery can rekindle excitement and bring a fresh sense of wonder into your marriage. Emotional security becomes even more vital at this stage of life. Knowing that your partner is emotionally present and available provides a foundation of comfort and trust. Create a safe space where both of you feel free to express vulnerabilities without fear of judgment. Be each other's emotional anchor. Acknowledge fears around aging, health, or mortality, and face them as a team. When one partner feels emotionally secure, the entire relationship benefits. Financial stability or lack thereof can also influence marital harmony in your 50s and beyond. Discuss your financial goals and concerns openly and honestly. Develop a budget or investment plan that works for both of you. Avoid blame or shame about past financial decisions and instead focus on building a future of security and mutual support. Transparent communication about money helps eliminate stress and strengthens trust. Technology can also play a surprising role in strengthening your marriage. While it may seem that smartphones and screens are distractions, they can also be tools for connection. Send loving messages during the day, share photos or videos of things that remind you of your partner, and even explore new tech hobbies together. Learning something new together, like using a tablet, social media, or a smart home device, can create fun, shared experiences. Traveling together, whether near or far, can breathe new life into your marriage. Exploring new places builds lasting memories and reinforces your bond. It doesn't have to be expensive or elaborate. A simple weekend getaway to a nearby town, a picnic in a scenic park, or a cultural tour can all offer moments of joy and togetherness. Travel challenges can also teach you teamwork, patience, and problem-solving, important qualities in any relationship. Celebrating your history together is another meaningful way to strengthen your bond. Look through old photo albums, reread love letters, or revisit places that hold special memories. Reflecting on your journey can help you appreciate how far you've come and remind you of the love that carried you through life's trial. It also provides perspective and encourages gratitude. Embrace physical aging with grace and acceptance rather than allowing it to become a barrier. Support each other through the bodily changes that come with age, whether it's graying hair, wrinkles, or health concerns. Reassure each other of your continued attraction and commitment. True intimacy is rooted in emotional connection and mutual acceptance more than physical perfection. Make time for fun and spontaneity, even in small doses. Go on surprise dates, try something new together, dance in the living room, or cook a new recipe. Playfulness keeps your relationship fresh and breaks the monotony of daily routines. When couples laugh and play together, they strengthen their bond and improve emotional resilience. Volunteering together can be a deeply enriching experience. Serving others side by side not only gives your life greater meaning, but also builds teamwork and shared values. Whether it's helping at a local shelter, mentoring youth, or participating in community cleanup projects, giving back creates a sense of unity and pride. Learning to argue better is another crucial skill after 50. Disagreements are natural, but how you handle them makes all the difference. Focus on resolving rather than winning. Use respectful language, avoid bringing up old wounds, and take breaks if emotions run too high. Always come back to the conversation with the goal of understanding each other. Apologize when needed and forgive quickly. Your ability to handle conflict with grace directly impacts the strength of your marriage. Reaffirm your commitment regularly. It may seem obvious, but telling your partner that you still choose them every day is powerful. Simple affirmations like "I love you" or "I'm glad I married you" go a long way in reinforcing your connection. Renew your vows if you wish, or create new ones that reflect your current stage in life. Be each other's cheerleader. Encourage your spouse to pursue hobbies, passions, or goals, even if they are different from your own. Celebrate their successes and be a source of motivation when they face setbacks. Your support boosts their confidence and deepens the emotional bond between you. Prioritize health as a couple. Exercise together, eat nutritious meals, attend doctor appointments, and keep each other accountable. Staying healthy not only improves quality of life, but also enables you to enjoy more experiences together. A healthy body contributes to a vibrant and active relationship. Pets can also bring joy and companionship. If you both enjoy animals, consider adopting a pet. Caring for a pet together can bring shared responsibilities and delight. Pets can reduce stress, encourage physical activity, and provide unconditional love, benefits that extend to your relationship. Finally, practice mindfulness and presence in your relationship. Be aware of how you treat each other in the small moment. Greet each other warmly. Make eye contact. Put away distractions and give your partner your full attention. Living mindfully fosters appreciation, patience, and deeper connection. The marriage after 50 is a sacred opportunity to evolve together, to heal, to rediscover love, and to find joy in the present moment. It is a chance to turn the familiar into something extraordinary by choosing each other every single day. With love, respect, patience, and shared dreams, your marriage can become stronger, richer, and more fulfilling than ever before. These years are not a winding down, but a beautiful new beginning. A time to hold hands, walk forward together, and cherish every step of the journey.